This video demonstrates how to clean the Printhead cartridge on the Fargo Ink1000 card printer. Open the printer cartridge door. Press the power button on the console. This will move the cartridge into its loading position. HID isopropyl cleaning pad is required for this procedure. Remove the cleaning pad from its packaging. Remove the ink cartridge. Using the cleaning pad, clean the contact side of the cartridge. Using the cleaning pad, clean the ink nozzle. Install the cartridge into the printer. Close the cartridge door. The cartridge will align itself.